Petalisbless here. Welcome back to another Freestyle Wednesday. On today's Freestyle Wednesday, I will be showing you the Dionysus bag from Gucci. So let's get into how it came. Okay, I'm going to share with you how it came and all that good specs, and then I will show you what I have in my bag for today because I'm on my way to church. Okay, so let's open the box. And this is how it looks in the box. And today's bag is from a company called Usbags. So let's take it out. And inside you have your little papers on the bag. Okay, here it is in the dust bag. I like this dust bag. It's a nice color. So let's take it out. Look at that. Okay, here it is. So I'm just going to take off all this packaging off of it and we'll come back. Okay, here we go. And I love this little logo, this little thing that they have here. Super cute. And here is the side of the bag. And here's the back. And now I'm just going to open it. There's a little knob here at the side that you push. This little knob right here, you just press that and it opens up the lock. Okay, here is the inside of our bag. Spacious. And you have 3 compartments. And the zipper here. Another thing in here, just take this out. So I call 3 sections. The middle part with the zipper I call a section 2. And lots of space in there. It's roomy and nice. And under the flap here, you have another little hidden compartment. Okay, you can have the chain long, just like this. Or you pull it up and you have it short. Alright everyone, here it is with the short strap over your shoulder. One side, and here is the other side. And you can have it in your hand. And the other side. And you could also wear it long. I love this bag. I'm going to enjoy it today at church. OMG. And here is the other side. Alright, let me get into showing you what I have in my bag today for the fall season going to church. Okay, let's open the bag and get an overall view of what I have inside. Okay, so I have my lotion, my little lotion bottle. You know, you have to have things to keep your hands moist. And now I have this little pouch here. And inside here, I have the wipes for my glasses. I carry these little disposable wipes to help clean my glasses because they're all getting smeared. They're always getting smeared and stuff like that. So I buy these little wipes and I keep them in my bag at all times. And now I have this little pouch with my earpiece for my phone. And it's so super cute. So I could keep it in that and keep it neat and not have it messy all over my bag. I love this. I got this at the Dollar Tree a few years ago. Yeah. And then I have my little wallet here. My nice little wallet that I had gotten from Temu. And then now, let's open the zipper part here. And in here now, I have a face mask, which I have to use all the time. As you know, your girl is sick with her lungs. So I always have to wear a face mask, which I've been wearing them long before everyone was required to wear them. I always had a mask, so that's always in my bag. And then I have some lip gloss and I have some lip treatment here. I keep both of them in my bag. And now I have a pack with some Kleenex. I'm always coughing and sometimes I need to use some Kleenex. So I always make sure I have that on hand. And then I have my phone, which I always keep my phone with me. You know, we have to have our phone. So I have my phone in there too. So let me just put everything back in quickly. So that's everything I have in there, and as you can see, there's lots more room for more, but that's all I have for church today. As you can see, this is a nice bag, spacious, and it's very roomy. As you can see, you could fit a lot in there. There was lots of space left over for items that could be added in this bag. You can dress it up or you can dress it down. I think it's very nice. I will leave the link below to Usbags so you guys can go over and check them out. And I have a coupon code down there for you guys to get 5% off your order. Alright everyone, your girl is gonna get on her way going to church. So remember to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.